Hey Tharp, I am here to let you know about something I was hoping you would help me out with this month. So, we're looking for students who might have a favorite picture book at home about a holiday you celebrate. It does not have to be a winter holiday, it could be any holiday, doesn't matter what religion, it doesn't even have to be a religious holiday, it could be Valentine's Day or Halloween. So if you have a favorite picture book, I would love for you to bring it in and then come see me. You can talk to a teacher when you have some time, maybe your language arts teacher, and we can organize it. But I'd love to record you reading it. And we hope to share some of those at the elementary schools so that they have a nice variety of books for some of their kids to listen to. So think about a favorite book you have that you read around the holidays, and if you're willing, come in and see me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share one today. This is not necessarily a favorite because I actually just grabbed it, but I do love Bruce. So if you've never read a Bruce book, come and see me and I will bring some in from home because they crack me up. So this one's called Thanks for Nothing. The air is crisp and the leaves are changing. It is fall in Soggy Hollow and everyone is thankful, even Bruce. He is making a surprise fall feast for the mice. There's a surprise for Bruce, too. Thanks for the foot bath, says Thistle. That was my stew, says Bruce. There are more surprising surprises. Thanks for the crunchy apples, says Nibs. Those were for my pie, says Bruce. And thanks for the pumpkins, says Rupert. Those were for my other pie, says Bruce. Uh-oh. Pee-pong! Gravy slide! Grr. The surprises are stacking up. What will be next? Crack. A wet moose? Wait, who let the wet moose in here? Great news, says Nibs. The wet moose is staying for dinner. Speaking of dinner, it's time to eat. But there is no stew, no pie, no other pie, no peas, no gravy, no potatoes, no cranberry sauce, no plates, no tablecloth, no nothing. What's for dinner? Asked Thistle. Nothing, grumbles Bruce. Well, that is a surprise, but it was still a fun day. Thanks for nothing, everyone cheers. You're welcome, says Bruce. The end. Can I sleep over? All right, so if you're willing to share, please come see me sometime in the next few weeks. I'd love to see some of your favorite books, and I hope you all had a nice long weekend, and see you soon.